Hello, entomologists. So I wanted to show you, we are on day 4. Remember, we're starting with the arrival of the caterpillars, not all the way back from the larva stage. And here you can see that they've gotten so fat, just like the very hungry caterpillar. And they seem to have been eating a lot. There's this kind of like silky thing that's starting to happen in there. I think they use that for their silk button, but you can see that they're not moving right now, but they were moving earlier. But I mean, they literally are growing by the hour. They were even fatter than yesterday or today. Oh, there's one moving. Oh, I just saw one. Let's see if I can get it to move again. It's hard to see. It was moving. But, okay, so here's the paper. As scientists, we make observations. So this was yesterday's observation. And then right now I'm going to do today's. So I'm going to show you right now. As scientists, we often label, we draw realistic pictures, and then we just take notes. So I think one of the main keys as entomologists and as scientists is you want to make sure to date it. All scientists, when they're taking data and they're making observations, they always date. And that's our G's birthday today. And so today's going to be day 4, because remember yesterday was day 3. So here's day 4. And then you can either circle or color. They're still caterpillars. And then you're going to draw it. Let me get a better Sharpie. You're going to draw it. And I like to draw the little container that it's in. And then I think we had 7, remember? Now, all of them today, which is interesting right now, they're all kind of in the same direction. And they're all up. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's 2 at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's 2 at the top. So I have 7 caterpillars. So here you could see is the word caterpillar. So you could just copy it. Caterpillars. And then there's still a little bit of food. Now I'm going to draw less than yesterday. And actually I didn't even have the food yesterday, but the food was pretty high up. So that's the food. I did it so it's a little bit lower today to show that they've really been eating. And then now I'm going to kind of try to lightly do a little bit of silk. 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 Because I see some like kind of silk all around, almost like webbing, which is probably what they're going to be using to make their silk button that they have not made yet. But so I could see some of that. All right, so that is my observation. If I wanted to, I could say, I already put they are fat, they're moving up. So I could say they are even, they ate more food and are even bigger. All right. Thank you, entomologists. Have fun.